Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here today with piles of paragraphs. Let's see, it is the November kit. Piles of paragraphs on Etsy. So, a little bonus video today. So, we're going to get busy and do this tag. Now, usually Lori sends this little piece of paper with her kits, and usually I try and set it aside so I do my own thing with the tag, but I really like what Lori did. So I think I might just have myself a go and see if I can kind of duplicate it. So off we go. Off we go. Let's see. I need a glue page here, and I need glue. All right. I think we're ready. Let's do this thing. I'm going to put this paper on first before I cut. Look at all that you get in this kit. There's a bunch this time. So I thought that was super fun. Okay, and she put the blue at the bottom. Okay. I guess I'll just get this all gluey and pop the papers down. How's that? So, hope you're all having a good day. I'm busy doing a bit of filming as much as I can. I feel like I'm running out of time this week, but the next 2 weeks are very busy, and then I think it gets kind of to normal again. I hope I'm not down too low, but I didn't want to. There we go. Okay. Maybe I'll get my little gift card here. Okay, so now I'm going to even up the edges of this. Like that. Get my scrap bucket over here. Okay, and then we'll make it into a tag shape. This would be awesome in a winter journal. I have, some of the winter digitals and stuff, and scrapbook paper are blue, so I think this would be great in that. Okay, then what she do? She made a tag out of this one and kind of put it sideways. That's what intrigued me. I don't know how well you can see that, but she kind of like, it's a tag on a tag kind of, and I had never seen that before, and I thought that was really cool. I feel like I might need to cut this down a little bit. I don't want it to hang over that much, so I'm just going to take a bit off of there. Okay. Yeah, and then she just kind of put it there. I'm going to just go like this and cut it similarly. Okay. I just heard from one of my friends that used to live here and is moving back. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's that. This is a little piece of another piece of paper. I don't see where she used this one in her tag, which you don't need to use every single little thing if you don't want to, or if you have a different spot you want to put it. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off because she has this running up and down. I hope you don't mind me blatantly copying you, Lori, but I really liked that sideways design. I thought that was cool. Okay, I gotta get my ink. You know how that goes. Go around this, and then I'll go around that tag before I get it attached to this one. Okay, well, we might as well do the back while we're at it. Okay, and then this one. As per usual, there's really enough to do several tags in the kit. Okay, I think what I want to do is, if I have a little scrap of cardstock, I'd like to put it on there to strengthen that just a bit. Let's see. Talk amongst yourselves for one moment. Looks like this one would work. Yes. So I'm just gonna reinforce it a bit so it's not so, I'm afraid it'll get bent otherwise. Okay. Let's see, we're going here, aren't we? Yeah, that'll be better. Okay. Put that behind me rather than run that back over where it goes. Yeah, this'll do the trick. And Lori always says, you know, feel free to add to the kit with whatever you want. So I'm gonna take her up on that. Okay, now I'm thinking, well, first I'm gonna put this on there. No, I better not go around that because I didn't on the other one. I'm thinking I don't know how she attached hers, if she attached it like all the way down, but I think I'm gonna do like a pocket is my thought. Like right here, do like a, so just, it's gonna be a little tricky, but I think I can do it. Just had a little bit of that back showing, so I'm just gonna give it another little hit. Okay, so we want, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little mark here so I know where to glue. Okay, so we're going this way, so just gonna go down here, across there, and up here. Okay. All right. So now, let's see. She took this and rounded the corners. Looks like. And then, oh, she made it smaller. Maybe she cut it in, maybe she cut it in half. Okay. A little over 3, so let's cut it 1.5. Let's cut it right about there. Okay, around those other corners. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Hers was longer. She cut it the other way, I think. That's all right. Doesn't matter if you have the exact same supplies and try to do the exact same thing. It's always going to come out different because we just, I should have just stressed that, but I forgot. Okay, and then she took this cute piece of lace and put it along there. So that's what we'll do next. Okay. Get some glue in there. Okay. She did that. Okay, and then she put this little medallion here, which that looks really cute too. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Oh, whoops, see, told you. Try and do it the exact same. She had this going right down here on there, but I don't. So we have a little piece of this left. Could we put that right there? And then she had this as toppers on here. That still looks kind of cute. I'm going to put that on there. Might as well use it, right? I'm kind of going the opposite direction that I did on that one. Okay, let's cut this in half. And okay, and then I don't know how she attached it. Can't really, I think I'm going to glue it because I can't really staple it because there's a hole right where I would staple. So that's okay. We'll just put it on with glue. At least try to. Okay. Okay, and then this one over here. Really like the idea of going crossways with another tag. Never would have thought of that. Lori, you clever girl. Just stuck my hand in the glue. Okay. Moving along. Now what I'm thinking is, what if I used this piece and made like a little tag to go in here? That's what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to do. Okay, so it's going to eat up my glue stick, but that's okay. I want to have something to be able to write it on the back. Okay. Start off with the same idea and just go off on a tangent. That's how I roll. Oh, goodness. Gosh, Lori, I was thinking we're coming up on 2 years of doing these tag kits. I mean, you're doing them. I'm just making them and showing them, but how crazy is that? Okay, then there's this little picture of a flower that's just lovely. That I'm going to cut it out. And then ooh, I have an idea. I have this little piece left. Let's round the other corners and see if our flower, it goes right on that. And then I'm going to put that on the tag. Okie dokie. I like it without ink, so I'm going to do that without ink. Close your mouths, girls. I know you're hanging open because you're like, what? She's not using ink? Okay. And then I think I'll use this for because it's going on a lumpy surface. Okay. So I'm just going to put that there. And give it some ink. Perfect. And then I'm thinking I can use this on the top of this tag. So see, I wasn't meant to use it the other way. I kind of like that. I'm going to just staple it. With me teeny attacher. Actually, it's a tiny attacher, but, you know, teeny works too. Okay. Okay, so this then goes down in this pocket. And we have a 3-tag tag. Tag. And this is all we have left. We have just a couple of little bits of the paper. How about that? Okay, hold it up a little bit. So there's that. There's the little tag that goes in it. Well, that was fun. Thanks so much, Lori. Thanks, everybody, for watching. And you can go over to Piles of Paragraphs. The link will be in the description box to get your own November tag. So thanks, everybody, for watching. Have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.